In this video, we will walk you through how to create your business profile. Let's get started. The very first step is to upload your business logo. Click on the upload option, select your logo from your computer and upload it successfully. Next, fill in your business details. Enter your organization name. Add your business email address. Fill in your business address. Enter your primary contact number. You also have the option to add an alternate contact number if needed. If you have a business website, you can add your website URL as well. Now enter the prefix you'd like to appear by default on your invoices. Similarly, you can set a prefix for your receipt numbers. Next, you'll see the tax registration option. If your business is tax registered, click Yes and fill in your tax details. If not, simply select No. If you want to include any standard message on every invoice or receipt, you can write it here. For example, you can add messages like, "Thank you for your business. Payment is due within 7 days." Or, "We appreciate your prompt payment." This helps you maintain consistency and makes your documents look more professional. To add authenticity and professionalism to your invoices, you can upload your e-signature. Click on the upload option and select your signature file from your device. Once all the details are filled in, click on Save Profile. And that's it. Your business profile has been successfully created. Thanks for watching.